Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, Maria is going to show you how to create a smooth and professional looking progress bar using Canva. Whether you're making YouTube videos, presentations, or social media content, this simple trick will take your visuals to the next level. And trust me, you won't want to miss this, because at the end, Maria will share a bonus tip that makes your progress bars even more dynamic. So stick around till the end and let's get started.
Let's try a new project. Okay, so I'm going to video, this one, and here is the blank template. I'm gonna put some color so that it's easy for you guys to see it. Okay, so let's get this blue one. All right, so now next we're going to elements and let's get this square. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm going here, and of course I want the corner to be rounded like 100%, just like that. And then I'm also going to put some borders here, this one, and maybe the weight is maybe just like that. All right, and I'm gonna change this to color white so it's easy to see. All right, there you go. All right, so now we have a plain color like we did on the first one. So in this one, we're going to animate this, and to do that, let's go again to elements and find the animation that you want. Okay, let's say bubbles. Okay, let's put some bubbles. All right, there's so many bubbles here, so let's go to videos so that it will move. Okay, so there are a lot of bubbles here. Now be mindful again, guys, that if you have this crown, you need to have a pro account. But if you don't have this, then you can always go here and you can get the free one that doesn't have a crown. Okay, if you don't have a pro account. All right. All right, so let's say you want to use this one. Okay, it's just a bubble. Okay, let's make this a little bit smaller. Just make a size, the same size of this one that we created. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this just like that, and then I'm going to here to the corner and make this round 100. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to drag this one over here, just like that. Just make sure that we let's put some of the the white one. I want to see that. Okay, just like that. And on the other side also. All right, so now we have this bubble. As you see, let's play with this. Then you see there's a bubble there. Okay, so I'm gonna make this. Oh, did I make this 100%? Okay, so now here is the bubble that I created for animation. So let's put some other before we do the duplicating the page. Okay, let's put some fish here. Let's get this goldfish. Just an example, guys, so that you can see, because it's gold. All right, so now I'm gonna use this goldfish here swimming here, so that, right, there you go. So I'm gonna put here. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna change the seconds. So maybe okay, let's say 2 seconds or maybe 1 second. Okay, 1 second for this. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're going to start here, and then what we're gonna do is to click this one and let's move it here, get the fish and move the fish here, and then we're going to duplicate this one. Okay, let's duplicate this and let's move the water over here, and let's move the fish over here. Let's duplicate again. Okay, move the water here, move the fish here, and I think this is the last. Let's duplicate again. Let's get the water. All right, there you go. Then if you want to put some sounds, let's go to the elements again, and let's put some clock ticking. So if you want to put some sounds, I've already told you guys where you can find the free ones. So like for example, I have a pro account and I want to use this. I just drag this one over here and drag this one here, and let's hear this one, guys. Let's see. All right, so that's gonna be finished with this. Okay, so and I'm gonna adjust this because it didn't start, it start here. So I'm gonna move this one here, guys, so it will start over here. So if you're doing some quiz, then you can give a little bit of time for your kids or whoever you want to guess that quiz, a little bit time before the clock starts. Okay, so let's say like this one. All right, so now you're done. Yeah, that's all you can do, guys. You can create a lot of progress bar or design that you want. You can animate this if you want, like what I've shown you. It depends on the topic that you want. You can use other elements like nature, flowers, or animals, things like that. I just use water and then I put fish on it. All right, so that's all for today's, guys, and I hope you learned something from this. And if you have any question, just write down the comments, and I will make sure that I will respond to you as soon as possible. And if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like, share, and of course, before you leave, subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video every week. So please join to my channel, and let's have fun together. Let's learn together, especially for those who just getting started, designing, creating, or using Canva. Teach and share what I'm doing in Canva. I'm not like a professional Canva designer, but I learned from my experience and creating all these tutorials. So I learned a lot, and I just want to share with you guys how I'm doing it and how I creating this kind of projects. All right, so that's all for today's, guys, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye for now.
And here's the bonus tip Maria promised. Instead of just using a static progress bar, you can bring it to life with Canva's animation tools. Just select your bar, select an element, click on Animate, and choose Create an Animation to make it slide or grow smoothly. This adds a polished, professional touch to your videos. If you want your progress bar to stand out even more, try adding a gradient effect or a glow. Just overlay a transparent gradient or use Canva's glow effect under Edit Image. This gives your progress bar a sleek, modern look. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Canva and AI tutorials, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.